Good morning guys, today is April 1st, ang unang araw ng buwan ng Abril. And today's episode, what we have here is this very awesome V-twin engine bike by FKM Motorcycle, the FKM Victorino 250i. Let's do a sound check. Damn, solid diba? Alright, and today's episode we're gonna have a ride, we're gonna have a breakfast ride kasama ang mga FKM users, FKM owners. Let's do this. It's been a while na nakapag-ride tayo ng Victorino 250i. We have to familiarize ourselves again with this very awesome scrambler. Ang ingay ni Victorino. Lakas ang torque. Yes sir. Sarap na engine brake niya. Rinig na rinig ko yung ugong ng makina. Grabe, napaka-solid. So punta muna tayo ngayong araw sa Pinstripe Motor World. Big shoutout kay Sir Romel Tanghal for lending us this very awesome V-twin scrambler courtesy of FKM Antipolo branch. Big shoutouts. And ang breakfast ride pala natin ngayon is inorganize ni Pinstripe Motor World. Dito siya sa likod ng Shakey's. There's a Shakey's. May naka FKM Slick 400 sa likod. Thank you. There you go. There goes the Slick 400. Napaka-solid yung na-review lang natin recently, no? Solid ng color red. Antayin lang muna tayo dito ngayon sa Pinstripe Motor World. This is Sir Edsel, by the way. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. And just look at that, diba? Actually, hindi lang pala mga FKM kasama natin. May mga naka-Husqvarna, may mga naka-Triumph and XSR. Grabe, solid. Alright, so in just few minutes, babiyahin na rin tayo. Again, dito tayo ngayon sa Pinstripe Motor World. Kasama natin ang mga FKM riders, FKM owners, and syempre, yung mga kasama natin sa Ride Academy. Ingat-ingat sa ating lahat. Wow! Ingat sa atin, sir. This Sir Edsel.
Hello, morning.
Good morning. Ride safe sa atin mamaya. Ride safe. Alright, there you go. We're about to take off. Solid din mga lineup natin, no? This is our first time na makaride sa mga FKM owners. Grabe. And it's going to be my pleasure for having me here. Big shout out Pinstripe Motor World. And syempre sa FKM Antipolo branch for lending us this Victorino 250i for the sake of this morning ride. Okay, so we are going to Boynita. That is located at Sampaloc, Tanay. So yan, lalagpasan natin. Darating talaga tayo dun sa intersection ng Sampaloc, and then we're gonna turn right. And nag-aabasa ng mga 400cc the FKM. That's Falcon X400 over there, and this is Slick 400. And the Venture ADB 180 and the Venture ADB 150. Grabe, solid. This is the Triumph Scrambler 400X. Grabe, taas. Alright, we're good. Time check, it's already 7:09. Grabe, this is very exciting. Ingat-ingat sa atin. Give a safe, oh Lord, as well as the other riders out here. Alright, and after a few minutes of riding, we're finally here. Maganda yung facing namin. Talagang so far, sobrang discipline yung facing namin. Walang umu-overtake. Talagang maintain lang namin yung linya namin, kung sino nasa harapan namin, kung sino nasa likod. And everyone is trying to catch up. So it's nice to be back here at Marilaki Highway, diba? Grabe. And since today's holiday, that's the reason why ang dami nating mga kasubayan. Ayun, a big shoutout nga pala sa Premium Gears para sa suot nating Air Cool Riding jersey in today's vlog. Yan, big shoutout Boss A. Allen Fermin. And yan, big shoutout din sa Mukem Helmets. Yan, para sa suot nating helmet in today's episode. This is the Veni Flash Matte Black Edition. There you go. There is the Victorino 250i. Grabe. Napaka-solid, diba? Yun o, punong-puno, oh. Grabe. Oops. Alright. Let's go. Grabe, solid, oh. Solid ang lineup natin. Alright. So going back, the big thanks to Ride Academy for assisting us with this ride, and syempre the Pinstripe Motor World for hosting this breakfast ride. And just forgot kung saan yung destination natin, no? Sa Sampaloc, Tanay. But ito yung pupuntahan nating location. Alright, this is Shell Buso-Buso. Ay, grabe, ang daming mga nakatambay. So expect natin na marami na rin nasa taas ngayon. So what we have in front of us is the FKM Slick 400. And this is Sir Ed, all the way from Las Piñas City. Yan, big shout out kay Sir Ed. Grabe, solid ride. Ambulansya na. So on a rush, oh my goodness. Pwede pala yung ganito sa mga group ride, no? Yung hindi kayo nagmamadali. Hindi kayo nagkakarera sa daan. Ang facing lang, takbong 60. Grown man's ride. Hindi ka nga. We should be grown enough. We should be man enough, you know, to control our ego while on the road. Sabi, haba pa na ng linya natin. Akala ko kanina konti lang tayo, pero ang dami. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pang 10 tayo, pero pa sa likod natin. Alright, we're going uphill towards Wee Wee Hill. And ito, naglalabasan na rin yung mga kasabayan nating mga riders na paakyat ng Marilaki ngayong umaga na to. And for sure, magiging maskip to. You know? And halo-halong mga scooters and big bikes na rin yung umakyat kanina. And hopefully, safe lang ang lahat. Let's go, buddy. You gotta catch up. Grabe, ganda ng linya natin, oh. Solid. I don't know what to say. I'm just really enjoying what I'm seeing. Grabe. Nice. Smooth lang. Nice. I like it. Already. Dito tayo sa may Big C. Ganda na ating formation. Shoutout sa mga tropa nating maniniyot dito. Oh no! Oy. Si Oscar! Ano, dito yung maraming abangers na maraming nag-overshoot, maraming sumisemplang dito sa kurbada na to for some reason. Yan. And it's just so unfortunate na marami talaga mga kagulong ang nadadali dun sa ano na yun, sa kurbada na yun. Huwag lang tayong basta-basta mag-invest sa mga motorcycle parts or anumang burloloy na motor natin. If we could invest in our riding skills, di ba? That's a very huge investment para sa sarili natin. And especially we have a Ride Academy. Yan. If you wanted to learn more or enhance your riding skills to become a safer rider, diba? Might as well enroll as a Ride Academy. Yeah. One less kamote on the road. Alright, and this is Devil's Corner. Grabe, ang linis ng Devil's Corner. Ayos, ah. Bihira akong makita ito ng ganito, especially during holiday. Okay, no? Okay, pinagbawalan na pala. No parking. Yun lang. Siyempre, for safety purposes na rin. Kasi marami pa rin talagang sumisemplang dito. Kasi masyadong, alam mo, nakaka-tempt din kasi talaga yung kurbada doon. Ang ganda ng kurbada, babataas. But so unfortunate. You know. Well, surprisingly, walang checkpoint so far. Or maybe it's just too early. Time check, it's already 8, yeah. It's 8:02. It's probably too early. So sa mga kagulong natin na medyo maboboringan sa ride natin ngayon, diba? Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga exciting banking tapos tumata-top speed. I'm so sorry. You're not gonna see that one in here. We don't do that here. Shit. Basta naman kaya mga driver nito. Grabe, wasak fairings. Grabe. Is that an XRM or something? So para sa atin na hindi pa napupunta sa mga ganong klaseng sitwasyon, diba? We have to be extra cautious. Yung sa ganun is hindi tayo matulad sa mga ganong klaseng insidente. You know? Alright, stop over.